Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix username problem on Instagram feeds. Easy and quick. If you want to fix it, it's easy. All you have to do first, just go to settings and then scroll down until you find apps and then click apps again, and after that click feeds. Now click force stop, go to storage and clear cache, and now just go back and then go to permissions and make sure to give it all those permissions. Now just go back and try again, and if that doesn't fix your problem, there is another method. Turn off your Wi-Fi, open Instagram feeds and turn it on again. Now just wait and just go to your profile and try again, and you will find that your problem is fixed. Don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and see you in the next video.